Some of you will not be able to get Windows 11 on your computer. Do you want to know why? Well then stay tuned, make sure you like this video if you did, and let's get started.
Windows 10 has said to be the last Windows. After that, it was to be only Windows 10 updates and upgrades. Microsoft has, however, decided that having a new number every upgrade is better for marketing, and I would have to agree. For example, imagine trying to help a relative with a computer problem. You ask them which version of Windows do they have, and they say 10. And then you have to explain to them to navigate into a settings and a bunch of other ways to try and find the exact version they are on, because that might help solve the problem that they are having. Well, fear no more. Windows 11 is here. Windows have rounded corners. There is a new central start menu. Then you can move it back to the classic left if you wish, and a feature that might stop you from getting Windows 11 on your computer. Before we get into that, let's lay out some factoids. Windows 11 will be a free upgrade for existing Windows 10 users, and that's probably what most people care about. Secondly, support for Windows 10 will end on October 14th, 2025. Plenty of time, especially when there are still people using Windows 7. Now, I don't want to go into listing Windows 11 features, as next we will get a first developer build from Microsoft, and I'll be able to make a video about that instead. So for now, I want to talk to you about the Trusted Platform Module, also known as the TPM. This is a security feature for laptops and desktops that is hardware embedded. You see, TPM 2.0 will be a system requirement for Windows 11. But why? And why even bother with it? Well, TPM enhances security above and beyond the capabilities of consumer software and can also be used to keep your PC running well. It is a hardware chip. Since an industry consortium called the Trusted Computer Group introduced TPM in 2009, more than 2 billion of the chips have been embedded into PCs and other devices such as ATMs and set-top boxes. The TPM standard has been updated over the years, and its most recent release is TPM 2.0, which was released in October 2014. The Trusted Platform Module is a microchip that is built into a computer to provide hardware-based security. Most laptops would already have it if they were manufactured after 2014, and some desktop motherboards have a TPM connector, but that is in itself rare, and the module is now being scalped. Standard price was about $30 US and it's gone up to $100. But most people who have the most recent Intel or AMD Ryzen CPU have an inbuilt CPU TPM, which you can enable via your BIOS. So make sure to check that before you install Windows 11. So while you thought software is not affected by scalpers, well, you were wrong. Windows 11's rollout on desktop and some laptops is literally held hostage by a small chip that you either have on your CPU, motherboard, or laptop, or can't buy if you have a connector to install it on. Tablets are not affected, they all seem to come with it anyway. The Windows 11 requirements for TPM is the biggest substantive change in Windows minimum requirements since Vista, and that's saying a lot. And on that bombshell, we have to end this episode. Thank you very much for jumping in. Make sure to like this video if you did, and smash the subscribe button. All the above helps the fight against the Google algorithm. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you all in the next one.